Good morning, YouTube, or maybe morning wherever you are. I don't know. Maybe nighttime where you are on the other side of the world. But today I've got another house that's come back to me. And what this one is the people that were living in this just moved into another house of mine. So boom. I've never gone in a house yet, any house, that the smoke detector's not beeping. And I heard this one beeping. But as you can see, beautiful wood floors. The house is clean. I mean, baseboards so far are clean. There's a little bit of stuff right there we need to get a vacuum. I mean, kitchen's clean. Cabinets are clean. There's the smoke detector. Looks good. Looks like we might need to do a little painting right here. A little painting right here. But all in all, I need to call them, tell them their vacuum cleaner's here. Refrigerator is spotless. Whoop, got some food. I need to call her about that. But going back into the bedroom. Now this floor is not it's not been redone like the other floors. But closets and all, good. Good. So, bathroom is good. Sounds like the toilet may be running. Maybe filling up too much. Looks like it's filling up too much. Needs to be adjusted. But the bathroom is clean. Back bedroom is clean. And this is one of those like the other house across that doesn't have a closet in the bedroom. This is another one of those. And a light switch. Where is the light switch? Right here. Yeah. Looks like, I don't know if there's another light switch. Yeah, there we go. Big upstairs up here. Air conditioner and all that. Looks like we might need to, looks like I did some vacuuming, but maybe just a few things need to be picked up. It's a whole lot better than that last house. You think it is, Jeff?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tip top.
Yeah. Closet. Looks good. Just need to do a little vacuuming. But this makes it a whole lot better when they come back like this right here. So anyway, I just wanted to, I showed you a bad negative. I wanted to show you a good positive. Kind of show you kind of more the proper way to leave a house. We need to fix a door right here. This door looks a little broke. But all in all, a whole lot better than I have had. Well, you see Jeff back here rolling the walls. We decided to give this house a really good fresh paint job all the way over. White trim and the khaki, which is actually called cashmere. And I'm repairing a door outside. This door right here, and I'm sorry about the shadow, but it's the way the sun's coming in. It had a broke corner on it, so I've glued it. It's a little closet door. It's a little makeshift closet that was upstairs that somebody had put in a long time ago. You might remember in this first part of this video when I opened the door, it came off. I'm taking this Luan right here, and I'm gonna put it over the top of that door right there and just dress it up, fix that little part that's chipped off that I've got glued on up there. Just make the door a little bit nicer. I'll put this on and then paint it. I'm gonna bring it down to the exact size with the DeWalt table saw. guys, I got the little door done, and I just kept the original door, and I put Luan. I skinned it with Luan, and then stripped it, and just put some little strips to give it some character. And I think it's going to be all right. Put a new board down at the bottom, and then I put some strips here on the side just to kind of make it flush. And when Jason gets done painting it, putting his magic to it, it'll look like it goes in the Taj Mahal. Jeff is still painting downstairs. And these steps are steep. If you've been watching this channel very long, you've heard me say I've got several houses right here in a circle, and they're all built kind of alike. Jeff's got the living room painted. He's got this bedroom close to painted. Close to painted.
Yep.
He's getting there. He's been painting all day. I've been piddling. But we're going to shut her down for today, and we'll see you next day or two on this same video. I'm just going to run this video till we get done with this house. Well, this house is getting close to done. You see Jeff putting the paint on the door. We just put that door in. That's a door I had ordered. It was had to be special ordered to fit in here because this is an older house. And then with it being the rock, and there's a steel plate right across there, so we special ordered it. Jeff and I put it in yesterday. The door fits really good. Closes good, locks, everything works. The hole for the door was not perfectly square, so we had to square it up. And putting a door in, your hinged side, now this is the way I do it. I'm not saying it's the right way. I don't know if there's a right way or what, but your hinge side, we put that in first, and you got that squared in, leveled, straight up and down, screwed that in, and then do this side next and got it in. And we've trimmed it out. I ripped down some deck boards for the outside because they're treated, and he's working on paint. Of course, that treated lumber don't take paint real good at first, so he's having to work on that. We had to fill in with some foam next to this rock, and he's still working on kind of cutting that away. So making the door fit in here and all like it should, there's a little bit of with these 1x4s fitting in here, and so I have taken some 1x4s and ripped them down on the table saw, put a 45, and you see the one across the top. There it is, finished out, trimmed out, caulked in. Alright, here's another thing I made. Was this. Just took some little 1x material and put this, cut that to go there. Now there that is. I put a little darker stain on it to get it a little closer to the floor. I didn't have any stain that just 100% matched the floor, but we use that planer right there a lot. Most time I take the doors off, but it was just on the corner, and so we just ran that. You saw several times. Does a great job. You can kind of see how shiny those floors are in this bedroom, and then in this bedroom. And what we used, let's see here, is this cleaner, Minwax cleaner, and then Minwax Reviver. I've used that before and it works really good. We're in the process now of getting everything out of here and let Jeff really put the smack down on the cleaning of the house, and that way I can get it listed for rent. This is, I'm not sure I showed you that door. There's the door that I made for that closet there. Turned out okay. Well, you see Jeff back here, he's putting the last of the smack down on the cleaning. This place is beautiful, spotless, and I think I've got it rented to a really nice family. Filled out the application, getting ready to do the lease, as you see there. And so this is another house that Jeff and I have come in and turned it around. So I always feel good when I get them rented and get them to a good family. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you on another one.